Good morning all. We at ICD welcome you once again to our video series The Felicitous English. Today I am going to speak about gold before going into our regular business. Gold has occupied a unique significance in the lives of common man as well as exchequers of the countries. From the ancient Egyptians to the treasuries of modern nation states, there are few metals that have had such an influential role in human history as gold. When did we start loving the yellow metal? How long have we been in love with this magic metal? Let us explore gold in this episode and a few more to follow. Human fascination for gold is as old as recorded history. We do not know exactly when the first human picked up golden nugget and said to himself, "Oh, it's pretty cool." However, flakes of gold have been found in Paleolithic caves dating as far back as 40,000 BC. The first firm evidence we have of human interaction with gold was in ancient Egypt around 3000 BC. The capstones of the pyramids of Giza were made from solid gold. Egyptians also produced the first non-currency exchange ratio with gold to silver. To them, one piece of gold was equivalent to 2.5 parts of silver. The Egyptians also produced gold maps which survive even today. The gold maps describe where to find gold mines, various gold deposits in the Egyptian kingdom. Egyptians never used gold as a bartering tool. The first non-civilization to use gold as a form of currency was the kingdom of Lydia, an ancient civilization centered in western Turkey. Later on, the Greeks viewed gold as a status symbol and as a glory amongst immortal gods. Mortal human used gold as a symbol of wealth. Gold is also mentioned in the Bible, where Genesis 2:10-12 describes the lands of Havilah near Eden as a place where gold can be found. So we have understood that gold has fascinated mankind since time immemorial. In the next episode, I shall brief you how gold has stayed put in the modern era of finance and economics. Now let us get to our usual business, the word of the day, INTRICATE. The pronunciation is intricate. Intricate is the adjective form. The meaning is very complicated or detailed, an intricate network of canals. The more intricate the design, the more complex the procedure of making. The working of the government is intricate bordering on opacity. Similar words are complex, complicated, convoluted, tangled, entangled, twisted, labyrinthine, serpentine, circuitous, sinuous, difficult, involute. Intricacy is the noun, the quality of being intricate. The victim was fed up with the intricacies of the court procedures. The intricacies of fixing economic priorities make the job of the finance minister a tough one. Now the correct English of the day. We all may know the word imitate. Imitate means copy something. Do you know the word emulate? Both imitate and emulate mean the same. But imitating something is not good. Emulating something is worthy. He tries to imitate the great actor. He is not a genuine actor. The singer tries to imitate Yeshudas. In my opinion, he should try to be his own self. Simplicity of Mahatma Gandhi is worth emulating. Here we should not use the word imitate. So do not imitate anybody, but try to emulate things that are worthy. I am signing off for the day. We will meet again. Thank you very much.